Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the fascinating world of coins from around the globe. Today, we're diving into the history and value of a small but significant coin, the 2008 Cyprus €2 cent, also known as the Kibris coin. Introduction to Cyprus and the Euro. Cyprus, a Mediterranean island nation with a rich history that stretches back thousands of years, officially adopted the euro currency on January 1, 2008. This replaced the Cypriot pound, which had been the national currency for decades. The adoption of the euro was more than just a monetary change, it marked Cyprus's deeper integration into the European Union. For coin collectors, 2008 became a landmark year, because it was the very first year Cyprus began issuing euro coins, the €2 cent coin. General facts: the coin we're focusing on today is the €2 cent, minted in 2008. Though it may be small in size, it carries cultural and historical value. The coin weighs 3.06 grams, has a diameter of 18.75 millimeters, and is made of copper-covered steel. Like all 2-cent coins in the Eurozone, its edges are smoothed out on the reverse side. Like all euro coins, you'll find the common European design featuring the globe and the denomination, €2 cent. But what makes the Cyprus version special is the design chosen for the national side. The obverse, the design, the mouflon. The Cypriot €2 cent coin features an image of the Cypriot mouflon, a type of wild sheep native to the island. The mouflon has become a symbol of Cyprus's wildlife and natural heritage. This animal is unique to the Mediterranean region and has been associated with Cyprus for centuries, often appearing in local art and folklore. By placing it on the smallest Cypriot euro coins, the 1, 2, and 5-cent denominations, the country highlighted the importance of protecting its natural environment and showcasing its cultural identity to the rest of Europe. Above the design, you'll see the word Kappa Upsilon Pyro Omicron Sigma in Greek and Kibris in Turkish, representing the two official languages of Cyprus. The year 2008 is also inscribed, making it instantly recognizable as one of the first Cyprus euro issues. Historical and cultural importance: the inclusion of both Greek and Turkish names for Cyprus is highly symbolic. The island has long been divided between the Greek Cypriot South and the Turkish Cypriot North, and the use of both languages reflects an effort to recognize the multicultural identity of the nation. The mouflon, on the other hand, represents unity with nature and the uniqueness of the island. For Cypriots, it is more than just an animal, it is a reminder of their land and heritage. Mintage numbers: in 2008, when Cyprus first released euro coins, the demand was naturally high. The €2 cent coin had a mintage in the tens of millions, making it relatively common in circulation. However, first-year issues always carry special interest for collectors. Coins from 2008, the very first year of the euro in Cyprus, are often considered more desirable than later issues, especially when found in uncirculated or proof condition. Collectible value: now, let's talk about what you're all waiting for, the value. In circulation, the 2008 Cyprus €2 cent coin is still worth its face value, just €0.02. However, collectors are often willing to pay more depending on the coin's condition and rarity of preservation. Circulated examples, usually only worth face value, around 2 cents. Uncirculated coins can fetch between €1 to €2, since collectors appreciate first-year mintings. Proof sets: the 2008 Cyprus euro proof sets, which include this coin in pristine condition, can sell for €20 to €40 or even higher, depending on demand. So while the coin isn't rare, its appeal lies in being part of the very first euro coinage from Cyprus. Why collect this coin? Even though the 2008 Cyprus €2 cent isn't particularly valuable on its own, it is a great piece for collectors who specialize in euro coins from all countries, want first-year issues, which always hold more interest, enjoy coins that reflect cultural and natural heritage. The presence of the mouflon and the bilingual inscription makes this coin a small but meaningful representation of Cyprus. Features: issuer Cyprus period Republic. 1960 date, type standard circulation coins years 2008-2024 value €2 cents €0.02 equals PKR 6.65 currency euro, 2008 date. Composition: copper-plated steel, weight 3.06 g, diameter 18.75 mm, thickness 1.67 mm, shape round, technique milled, orientation metal, alignment. Issued December 3, 2007, number and hashtag 2174, help references KM number 79. Sean hashtag 92 available for swap C51 swap offers available for swap C38 sale offers obverse mouflon, a species of wild sheep found in Cyprus and representative of the island's wildlife along with the 12 stars of Europe around the rim. Scripts, Greek, Latin lettering, Kappa Upsilon Pyro Omicron Sigma, 2010, KIBRS translation, Cyprus 2010 CYPRUS engravers, Tatiana Soteropoulou, Eric Male reverse A globe, next to the face value, shows Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. Script, Latin lettering, 2 EURCNTLL engraver. Luke Luik Sedge smooth with a groove 2 euro cents. Obverse copyright Cyrilius Mint of Finland Suomen Rahapaja Vanta, Finland 1988 date National Mint of the Bank of Greece New Omicron Mu Iota Sigma Mu Alpha Tau Omicron Kappa Omicron Pi Epsilon Omicron, Iota Epsilon Tau Alpha, Athens, Greece, 1972 date.